protection of your pupils.
Hello, for?
You're not gonna find Brillo.
Only so many places, you know?
Yeah, man.
For only so many reasons, you know what I'm saying?
When I come across the railroad tracks, I seen you turn. That's when I got behind you. And that's when you started accelerating, trying to duck me.
I can't.
So now you gonna honestly tell me what you chewed
I'm
up.
trying to see what he's saying.
What you chewed?
No, I ain't chewed nothing, sir. Look.
Bro, your tongue all white, man.
Look, Look.
Let him wipe it off, bro.
No drug on my tongue. No, because I came